Welcome to JLM University. My name's Alex, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to change out the steering circuit board on your Power Pole Move ZR. For a list of recommended tools, please see the description below. And of course, make sure before working on your Power Pole Move you always turn the power to the motor off before doing any repairs. To begin, we are going to remove one of the 3/8 E-clips that holds the pin to the upper arm. With the E-clip removed and the bushing out of the way, we're going to use a hammer and a metal punch to drive the pin out. While removing the pin, be mindful to support the weight of the shaft and the prop motor. Unlock the ZR to easily remove the pin. To gain access to the steering plug, reach under the upper arm and lift up on the coil cable router. Remove the screw holding the steering plug in place. Use your hand to remove the steering plug. Now pull the upper arm away from the steering motor. In order to access the steering board, we need to remove the interference pin. Do this by removing one of the 3/8 E-clips on the inside of the steering housing. Remove the 4 screws and unplug the steering circuit board. With the disassembly completed, we are ready to install our new steering circuit board. With the power and ground symbols facing upward, insert the steering circuit board into the steering motor housing. Secure your new steering circuit board by tightening the 4 Phillips screws. And if your new steering circuit board has a ground wire, secure it to the top screw. Slide the interference pin back into position and secure it with the 3/8 E-clip. Route the rope over the interference pin. Now lower the upper arm into position, aligning the coil cable router with the steering motor housing. Align the tabs on the coil cable router with the holes in the steering motor housing. Before securing the upper arm, push the steering plug back into the steering circuit board and tighten the Phillips screw. Now snap the coil cable router into the steering motor housing and secure with the pin and the 3/8 E-clip. With our new steering circuit board installed, use the Power Pole app to calibrate and update the Power Pole Move ZR. Thank you for watching.